Hello, fellow webmasters. Welcome back to HackMonks. Today we are going to learn how to connect your domain to Cloudflare free CDN plan, and you make sure your email records also work so you can receive and send emails. Okay, first thing first, what is Cloudflare? Cloudflare acts as a middle layer between your website server and visitor, optimizing content delivery and providing some security features. Now, why do people use Cloudflare? Cloudflare is widely used CDN and security service that help improve the performance, security, and reliability of websites. The Cloudflare free plan is a popular choice for individuals and small business looking to enhance their online presence without incurring additional costs. For example, I have a website and wanted to speed it up. That's why mostly people use Cloudflare. And the reason people use this widely because Cloudflare caches static content like images, CSS, and JavaScript across its global network of servers, reducing latency and speeding up page load times. For example, the Cloudflare has a server in Asia, so if you are visiting a website from Asia, they already have that cache built on that server for that website. So that way, the load time for the user accessing the website will be faster. And Cloudflare provides reliable and fast domain name system resolution, ensuring the visitor direct to the nearest server for faster access to your site. Cloudflare also provide free, web application firewall features like protecting your website from various online hacking attempts like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, which we call XSS, and some SSL and TLS encryption system. So now we are going to add our website to Cloudflare, and this is the website we are going to add, easyuserguide.com. So what we are going to do, first we need to log into Cloudflare panel. Just follow my instruction and we will be there with no time. The reason I'm making this video tutorial that adding the website to Cloudflare is easy, but what happens afterwards, a lot of users complain that their email is no longer working, or they can send the emails but they are unable to receive email. So we will be fixing our DNS records properly. You can say this is a best example how to fix your cPanel domain email records on Cloudflare as well. How to fix that? Okay, now I added my website easy user guide like this. Of course, I'm going to select a free plan. This is my domain panel at Orange Host. Okay, it's reading records. It's working. Now it's scanning for my already DNS records. Okay, now it picked up these several records. Another thing you should know that Cloudflare also hides your IP, masks your IP. Okay, it has almost picked all my DNS records for my domain. For example, if you check in the cPanel, these are my DNS records, and it has Cloudflare has already picked all of them. Now what's next? Now we need to fix our two records here. First of all, you see this C name and mail record. But let's add the website first and we will fix it later. Now once you click next, it will ask you to change your domain name servers to Cloudflare. Now your assigned Cloudflare number are lola.nscloudflare.com rick@cloudflare.com. Copy this. Now we need to go to our domain panel. Here is my domain panel. Here we will click Easy User Guide, Manage Name Servers. Now I will choose Use Custom Name Servers. These are my current name servers. I am going to replace them with the Cloudflare one. Okay, changes saved successfully. Now we need to tell Cloudflare to test. You can do this like automatic HTTP redirect. If it is not on for you can on this. That's fine. Okay. Now I have added my website to Cloudflare. Okay. Now I need to fix my mailing record. Cloudflare does going to say register takes up to 24 hours to process name server change, but that's fine. Now we need to go to our DNS panel here and we need to fix our mail records. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to change this record, the CNAME mail records. Okay, we need to edit it and we need to make sure it is no longer proxied. Disable proxying this record. Change CNAME to A, put the mail here and copy your server IP address to IPv4 address here. So the CNAME record will be replaced with an A record with prefix mail and your IP address. You need to make sure proxy status is disabled. We are not going to proxify this record. Click save. Now that's good. Now what else we need to do? We need to fix the MX record. Click edit. This is all good, no issue. Just need to add this mail and now you need to know your TTL from your zone, and as you can see our TTL server for TTL is 14,400. Now that's it folks. Sorry, my bad, I made a mistake. It's done. Now that's how you add your website to Cloudflare and make sure your email also works. Now this is a Cloudflare free plan. You can purchase a premium plan or business plan as well, but that doesn't matter. What we wanted to do is more than enough. Of course it's gonna pending name server update because name server takes some time, and you can check on your one of my favorite website, what's my DNS. Let's enter my domain. Currently my A record is pointed to my server IP. Of course this is going to take 24 hours to get change this. It's gonna take a while. Like for example here in Spain it's already been updated slowly, but it will get updated. That's it folks. I hope you like this video tutorial, and I hope you can understand that you should not worry about that your emails are not going to work if you add your website to the CD. Don't worry about that at all. Everything is going to work perfectly fine the wish you want. That's it folks. If you like this video, give up a thumb up and please subscribe to my channel. I will post more videos